y'all, it's Saturday morning and I've already started cleaning up. This is just a part of the routine. I have my son helping me. We just wiping down the, I don't know what you call it, the dining room area. Not too much in here, so it's not a lot to clean. Like I said, we just moved here not too long ago, so we still have things that I want to do, some things that I want to put on the wall there. But for now, we're just going to I'm just going to show y'all what I do on Saturday mornings when it's time to clean up. So this is a classic wooden table that I've had for about 3-4 years now. And my last place, I couldn't fit it because it's kind of long. At my last place, I couldn't fit it because it was this middle piece right here. So now that I can actually fit this middle piece in here, I can actually, you know, spread out the whole table, which I'm happy about. I did not want to get a brand new table because this one was still fairly new, and I like the cushions on it, and I like the traditional print. I mean, I like traditional furniture that doesn't go out of style, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is dark wood, cherry wood that I got from Ashley Furniture. And give me that, baby. Let me show them. So I like cleaning up my wooden areas with this right here. This is called the Orange Glow Wood Furniture 2-in-1. Clean and polished, and it smells so good. It smells like, it says orange, but it got like an orange lemony scent. Smell like lemon? Yeah. It says orange, but to me it smells more like lemon. But I love the way they smell, and this is definitely good for cleaning off your tables, the wooden chairs, you know, wooden floors probably. I mean, anything wooden is pretty good for. So I just want to show y'all a little bit of how I clean. Of course, I love this spray. This is clean linen. I love clean linen spray. If you get to know me, you would know everything I love is, as far as like house scents, is either clean linen or like lavender. Those are my favorite house smells, okay, or house scents. So yeah, just to show y'all, on this wall here, I got this little, this picture I got from Ross. And I forgot where I got where did I get those from? I forgot where I got the candle holders from, but yeah. And then that little decor over there, that little mirror, I got that from Ross too. And I definitely need to add some more things to this wall. But look how cute this mirror is. It comes out like a bowl shape, and I like that. I really do. And it has like the gold trimming inside of it. I like that. So, and them chandeliers, we got those chandeliers put in when we moved here. They were definitely not there before. They were like white old-fashioned chandeliers, so we just got those put in. We got those from Home Depot. And to add some color to this room, I just got those blue curtains with the different prints on them, just to add some kind of color to the room. Baby, that's enough spray. And then this plant right here, I got this plant from Ross as well. I told y'all Ross is like my favorite store. And this I just put on the middle, and look how cute that is. Yeah, and this little tablecloth right here. So originally in the middle, I put it alongside with this vase that I got from Ross as well. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all a little bit more of the room once I start cleaning other areas of the house. Alright y'all, so the next room I'm going to show y'all is my family room. This is the first family room you get to when you come into my home. And yeah, this is going to be a quick tour, I guess. So I got my little helper with me, my baby vacuuming for me. And yeah, as you can see, it's basic, you know. Like I said, I like to keep my furniture traditional. When I clean up, I like to go through and basically like fluff out my pillows. You know, put those back in place. So I'm just going to sit these on the floor for now so I can go through and fluff out my couch, my sofa. And what I do want to show y'all is, of course, it comes with 3 sets. This is also from Ashley's Furniture, and my little ottoman piece right there. What I really want to show y'all is this item that I got from the Goodwill. This is so cute. I got this little teapot set, and I'm so proud of this little teapot set because I don't care. I just like antique stuff, and I thought this was so classy to add to my living room. But I got this from the Goodwill, and I disinfected it, and I cleaned it up really well, and I put it with this cute little plate. I don't know what you call this, but this is so cute, and I always wanted the teapot set. So, and then this little blanket here I got from Ross as well, and I thought it was a cute addition to add to my family room. I don't know, family room, great room. I don't know what you call it, but it's the one of the family rooms. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to clean this room up, and I'll show you the final results once I'm done. Alright y'all, so this is the bathroom that I did not show y'all. I cleaned this morning. This is my guest bathroom downstairs, and yeah, I came in here and basically did the same thing I did to the boys' room. I cleaned the toilet behind the toilet, I mop swept, cleaned out my zinc, wiped the mirror. Yeah, not too much in here. I don't like it cluttered, just like, you know, my husband. We kind of like everything simple. It is a shower down here in our guest bedroom, and it's mainly like lavender. I don't want to say lavender, but like light purple lavender. I don't know. But this little plant here, this little sea plant I got from Ross as well. Like, you're gonna find out like Ross really quick, okay? This little thing by my that little thing, I don't know what you call it, toiletry rack or whatever. The knobs, the silver things or whatever, I got from Ross as well. No, we got those from Home Depot. We made everything kind of like chromish. Even to the zincs, we got this from Home Depot as well, because when we first moved in, it was like gold. It was like a brassy color, which was not cute. So we changed that out, as well as this mirror. This mirror we also got from Home Store. Okay, so it kind of went with the decor we was going for. And this little decor right there, I got that from Ross as well. This little basket is from Ross. This little toiletry rack is from Ross, you know, just something simple. That little basket from Ross. So this right here, this handle's from Ross. Picture is from, I can't remember. But it says, have faith, plant hope, grow in love. So, you know, just something simple in this bathroom. I didn't want to overdo it. I didn't want to crowd it. But I think simplicity is definitely the key. It doesn't have to be cluttered in order to look like something decent. I love the flooring in here. I love the way the floors look. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like, it's a really nice print. It's really nice. It's like not stone, but I just like the floor. I really do like it. So these rugs are from Ross. I like the fluffiness of it. But yeah, so y'all, that is it for my Clean With Me Saturday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like, please subscribe to see more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos from me. All right, till next time. Bye, YouTube. Mwah.